cannot be free from the anxiety. Dehina, Maharaj said, Sada samadvigna dhyam. And why this anxiety? Na asadgrahat. Because he has accepted this temporary body. He is eternal. A living spirit is eternal, but he has been forced to accept this temporary body. No. This is my position. One should be conscious of his precarious position, that I am eternal, but I am encased in a temporary body, which will not exist. However, I may try to make it youthful by so many arrangements. But no, the science cannot give you permanent life. Oh, that is not possible. You may, however, may be proud of your scientific advancement of knowledge, but Bhagavad Gita says that 4 things, Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi Dukkha Dosana Darsanam. My dear sir, however you may make advancement in scientific knowledge, you cannot stop birth, you cannot stop death, you cannot stop old age, neither you can stop disease.